Did you guys get into an argument?
No, we shook hands. We shook hands.
Yeah.
The minute guy you talking about, we shook hands. We made peace.
What happened?
So I don't have no. I ain't
You
said
got
no.
into an
I
argument?
ain't got nothing to say. I'm gonna stay here because you want me to stay here.
All right, I need your ID though.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
What was that?
There's accusations that you struck that guy,
no,
and there's video footage of you striking him.
I said, so you seen the video footage?
I'm about to go see it.
I said, go see it then, and then you talk to me, bitch.
So we're gonna play that fucking game. We're gonna play that game. I need your ID.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay, there's a video.
First of all,
Yo! Hey! You let me get a scale picture. Yo!
what are you doing? Hand behind your back. I asked you for your fucking ID.
Get off me. Hey, get off me. Get off me.
All right.
You're good. Here, let me get under.
This could have all been resolved. You didn't want to give me my ID.
I got his life.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Have fun.
Get your cuffs.
Good time. Yeah, go ahead. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Did you check and see if my cold spray? Don't worry. You think you scared somebody? He ain't scared nobody, pussy. What did I do?
Yeah.
Nothing. I backed up.
What's your name? What's your name, bro?
I ain't gotta tell you shit. You don't put me in cuffs, now you wanna know my name, bitch?
I didn't put you in cuffs.
My name is Dr. Zeenen Cobb. Doctor. Harvard graduate, bitch. Zeenen Cobb, bitch.
What's your first name?
Dr. Zeenen Cobb, bitch. You stupid too, huh?
Where you from?
Dr. Zeenen Cobb.
Where you from?
You're not smart enough to fuck with me, you stupid bitch.
Where you from? I've been cool to you this entire time, bro.
Bitch. Fuck out my face.
No.
Oh, then fuck you.
Oh.
You ever ask me shit, I got the right man silence, right? So you the fuck out my face, bitch.
Nice, man.
Squeeze something. I wish you would. All you gotta do is touch your gun, you get shot in your fucking face tonight, bitch.
That's really not nice.
Touch your fucking rifle. Touch it. And I bet you get shot in your fucking head.
That's another.
Touch your fucking gun, I bet I kill your ass, nigga.
That's another charge.
Exactly.
Is it?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh.
Threats to law
Exactly.
enforcement.
Oh, yeah, I heard
That's
it.
another charge.
I said touch your gun, bitch.
You just threatened to kill me.
I said touch your gun.
Perfect. All I need.
All right, cool.
Put it on. Hey. Okay.
Either way, you're getting
I'll try to keep my
walk
pants
on your own or
I'll
I'm
try to
carrying
put my
you.
pants on, bitch. You stupid ass boy.
I'll get on the other side.
I just got in this bitch.